Hello, Real Learning team. This is Heather Jarp from Century 21, and I wanted to bring you through some available opportunities to really make Recruit 21 front and center. And we're hoping for your assistance with this project. So, what I wanted to do is show you where these opportunities lie presently. So, where I'm at right now is the 21 online homepage. So what I need to do is go to C21 University. And many of you know that you can type c21university.com into the browser window, or you can simply click on the URL right here, and it will quickly take me to C21 University. The next thing you want to make sure of is that you are recognized and you are logged in, so it's authenticating the user. So you can see here I'm good to go. And the next thing I'm going to do is go to Browse Courses, and think of this as our virtual course catalog. So once we're in our course catalog, you're going to want to scroll to the bottom to the Recruit 21 section, and I know that it is on tab 3. And once I've done that, I'm going to go to the Recruit 21 area and just click on Register. So again, think about this as you're looking at a virtual course catalog and you're clicking on Register. You want to register for a class. The next thing it does is it's going to take me to the LMS, and we want to make sure that people know where they are. So what our Recruit 21 committee identified is that it's hard for the user to tell that they're actually on the Recruit 21 page. So if there's a way to make Recruit 21 appear bigger, bolder, stand out more, that would really help the user know where they are on the LMS page, because right now it's a little bit confusing. It's not that clear, and Recruit 21 is not that prominent. So we want to make it stand out as much as possible. The next area of opportunity is this photo area here. So what we want to do is add our new Recruit 21 logo, which was just unveiled to us today by Becky Beyer in our marketing department. So we have the new Recruit 21 logo, and she's got some great stock photography that goes along with it. So we want to incorporate that logo with the stock photography so we can create a better banner. So right now it just looks like the photo is running off the page, but we really want to take advantage of this space and really utilize it well. Similar to what the Accelerate banner looks like on the C21 University homepage, where we've got a really engaging photo and some brief copy that really makes an impact along with a logo. So that's where we want to go with this space right here. The next area of opportunity is this just says, welcome to the new Century 21 University's Real Learning Initiative. So this is a little bit unclear here. So what we want to do is really just clean up the copy, make it tight, and really make it stand out with what a learner can expect when they take the Recruit 21 course. So I would definitely like to change the copy here. Many of our affiliates don't know what Real Learning is, and what we want to do is have a united front and really just be Century 21 University, all inclusive of any learning opportunity that we might offer. So we really want to replace this copy with something that's a lot more inclusive of the Century 21 branding. So we're going to look at doing that. So down here you can see where it says participant materials, and this could be confusing and frustrating for our users because they're expecting to be able to download the manual. And as we know, we don't want to provide electronic copies to the public because that could get into the wrong hands, and certainly we want to have the freedom to update the material as needed, and it would just be our leadership's preference that we not put that material out there. So what I'd like to suggest is that we rename this tab to Course Resources. And it's great that we've got some specific tools in here that relate to Recruit 21. So anytime we can do that, we certainly want to be able to provide those resources. And we've got the attraction tool here. We've got the recruiting toolkit, which I believe is just another word for the company value package that they can complete. I believe the competitor worksheets in here as well. And I think that we'll also be including the pre-work exercise in this area as well, unless anyone has any objections. And as we go, there will definitely be an opportunity to expand on this area. And what was also identified in our meeting was that Raise the Bar has an expiration date, and that's the end of January. So we're going to be removing this, but certainly we'd like to put some course resources in this area to really build it out. And then down here in this area, we're going to populate it with all of the Recruit 21 courses that are coming up in 2018. And like I said, we've got many opportunities for that. Our challenge is going to be that there's going to be different registration sites used. So what I need to ask the LMS experts is, will we be able to link to other websites that are not on the LMS in this area? So that's the big question, because what we know is that we have funding from the Learning Center of Excellence for 3 Recruit 21 courses throughout the United States. We've got San Francisco, New Orleans, and in Las Vegas. So we have 3, but certainly there are going to be a lot more opportunities to take advantage of Recruit 21, and we really want to showcase those. So next, we've got the interviews here, and we want to think about, again, this copy right here, and certainly the banner space here. We'll definitely want to redo that. And like I said before, if there's a way to have the Recruit 21 copy stand out so they know where they are, that would be helpful. And we also have a ton of opportunity here to customize the thumbnails with photos of our contributors of the interviews. So if you need me to get those, I can certainly do that. But something that we want to think about is having a better thumbnail here. And that's not something that we need to do immediately. There's a lot more that we should be focused on, but at some point it would be great to change up these thumbnails to the photo of the person being interviewed. Next is we're going to have some webinars here. And because of resources, we're going to have to record those. So they're going to be silent recordings. So what we'd like to do is put the webinars in this area. So this will be more like a continuing education area for our affiliates. So that's really where we're going. So I wanted to introduce this concept to you and ask you if we can make these changes and how we can go about doing that and how quickly they can be done. So that's the big question. I look forward to following up with each and every one of you so that we can move this project along and start 2018 with a bang. I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.